What's up, everyone? Austin Ekeler here, running back for the Los Angeles Chargers. Today, going to be showing you the pad out here in California. Home is in Las Vegas, but during the season, this is where we stay. Come check it out. So here's the living room. A lot of just watching NFL games on here. I have some speakers, and a lot of times it's me dancing. My lady's a choreographer, so I just freestyle and see if she can, dance with me. All my games and stuff in there. I'm a big gamer when it comes to board games, card games, things like that. Pictures of some families. It's not totally bare. I have some stuff in there. Boom, fireplace. It is winter. It's a little different out here in California, a little different type of cold, so this actually does get some use. Now transitioning into the kitchen area, one of the best things about being in the NFL is we get a lot of food, but I do still have to make myself dinner, so I'm usually in here cooking. I got some cool magnets from SoFi Stadium representing the Chargers. When I first got in here, everything was like really bright, and this backsplash on this kitchen wall definitely sold me. And then transition into my little dinner table area. Yeah, this is usually used for gaming when it comes down to getting competitive with my family. So yeah, definitely big into competition, and not only that, but also big into working out, which I got my own setup outside, so let's go check it out. Welcome to the backyard. One of the best things about California is I get pretty much used to this year round. I needed to get a place to put my gym set up, so ended up working out perfectly. I was just here this morning getting a workout in, and really become one of the places that I love to be in my house, but not the favorite. That is upstairs in the studio, so let's head there next. This is my favorite room in the house. I call it the den. I'm in here doing anything from community engagement, podcasts, social media, building apps. Everything really happens in this room. So, I have some of my game balls up here. Obviously my jersey up on the wall. My initials, that's kind of the backdrop of my streaming set. And this room, I think, just really signifies like who I am as a person. And everything in here is just all about me. So from my most favorite room to my recovery room, let's go check out the bedroom. Alrighty, so moving into the bedroom, a lot of recovery in here. Film watching little area in this bean bag. And this is where I kick it and get ready for the next day. Appreciate y'all tuning in, checking out my house out here in LA. Next, we're gonna have to head out to the Vegas house, but till then, y'all gotta get out, so we'll catch you later.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?